Hello people and welcome back to AustralianDahlia channel, a channel featuring only the latest and most epic road moments caught on Java's dashcam. We'll start today's episode off with a Karen who got a bit upset at a biker for filtering, but check out how the biker reacted.
People like you make good bikers look like bad people. Let's give
Good for you. You have a nice day, ma'am.
you a decent biker.
You have a good day.
Cameron was just riding around and enjoying a nice day, but all of a sudden, an SUV tried to cut in front of an 18-wheeler and struck the driver's side from the bumper. This caused him to lose control of his vehicle and ultimately hit the guardrail.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
Pay close attention at the driver in a yellow car. He was not paying attention at the road, and because of that, he hit the road fence. The driver in a pickup truck in front of the camera made everything except for a safe pass here. The road was icy and covered with snow, and not only that, but he overtook another vehicle on a sharp corner as well. That's about to cost him heavily. Stay tuned to see what happened.
Whoa, that guy just hit. Whoa.
I don't know how you can reverse onto the road without looking at your rear view mirror, but oh well, it looks like everything is possible nowadays.
In a small town in upstate New York called Potsdam Village. At 4:52 p.m., surveillance footage monitoring the school parking lot captured Garrett riding away on his ripstick. At about 5 p.m., Garrett's neighbors Sean Hall and Marissa Vogel, who lived in the same building, were watching Dexter when they heard a loud bang from across the hall. Through the walls, they could hear muffled cries of a child saying no and help. It sounded urgent.
Okay, Carmen.
The color WISP.
Looks like some of these drivers didn't care that they had a stop sign at all.
That's right, an extra $250 on top of all the other cash you'll pay during deliveries. If that sounds good.
Here we have an impatient driver who didn't bother checking at the traffic in front of him, and it almost came to a rear-end accident since he expected the driver in front to move through the red light.
Experts have taken control of every area of your life, from your business to how you school your
Nothing too important happened after the accident. The police arrived, they made a report. The pickup truck driver didn't receive any damage to his vehicle, but he was at fault.
Actually describes a hominid creature created by extraterrestrial beings.
What's up?
Now we're recording? You recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Can I ride? What's your YouTube channel?
STUTHECOBRA?
STUTHECOBRA?
Yeah, it's STU-THE-COBRA.
Can I ride? STU.Cobra?
I'd let you ride it, but it's not mine. I got my bike at the house, so.
Can I ride it right there by the...
See, I want to let you ride it, but it's not mine. It's my buddy's.
You go on like that?
No, I got a bigger one.
Come on, just right there.
Yeah, but yourself up.
I already got one. I got one too. His is like that one, but mine is big.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it ain't mine, so I can't let you ride it, but if it was mine, I'd let you ride it, bro.
So how you spell it again?
STU-THE-COBRA.
The Cobra.
I'll show you.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on AustralianDahlia channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the fails you saw from today's episode. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that will really help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care, guys.